Hey there, welcome to Wheels Joint. Today we are exploring the settings of the auto door unlock feature in Kia Sportage. Whether you're looking to modify auto door unlock setting or completely disable the feature, this video will guide you through the process. First, make sure you're comfortably seated in the driver's seat. Then turn on the ignition or start the engine. Begin by pressing the menu button right here on your steering wheel. This will bring up the User Settings menu on your instrument cluster display. Next, select the door option using this small lever on the steering wheel. And then press the OK button to open its menu. Now select Automatically Unlock. You will see 4 options here for the auto unlock feature. Let's break them down real quick. First up, we have Disable. Choosing this option will completely cancel the auto door unlock operation. Next, we have got Vehicle Off. With this selected, all the doors will automatically unlock when you turn off the ignition or switch the engine start-stop button to the off position. Moving on to Driver Door Unlock. Opting for this setting means all the doors will unlock when the driver's door is unlocked or opened. Last but not least, we have got On Shift to Park. This option will unlock all the doors when you shift the transmission lever to the park position. Once you have selected your preferred option, simply hit OK and you are good to go. Your auto door unlock feature is now set just the way you like it. And there you have it, folks. That's how you enable or disable the auto door unlock feature in your Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more helpful auto tips.